Hey friends, welcome to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm showing you how to make delicious homemade burgers. These are so delicious and very easy to make. Let's get started. I have some ground beef in a mixing bowl. We're going to start by seasoning with some spices. We're using garlic and onion powder, smoked paprika, salt, and black pepper. We're also going to add some Worcestershire sauce, then mix everything together. All ingredients and measurements will be in the description box. Make sure you mix very well. We don't want the seasonings to sit on one side, okay guys? Once everything is mixed in, we're going to divide the meat, then form the patties. I am only using 1 pound of meat, so I'm forming 4 patties. You can form 3 if you like your patties larger. You can also double this recipe if you're feeding a larger crowd. And here are my 4 patties ready for the grill. Make sure your grill is heated at medium-high to high heat. I like my burgers medium to medium well, so I grilled them for 4 minutes on each side. The grilling time depends on how thick or large your patties are, so keep that in mind. I'm putting American cheese on my burgers to melt. You can use your favorite cheese. In the meantime, I'm going to show you my favorite burger topping. It's so good. I've gone ahead and melted some salted butter. I'm going to toss in some sliced onion. And then I'm going to cook the onion for 5 minutes on medium heat to caramelize, just like this. Onions get so flavorful when you cook them this way. Next, I'm adding some crumbled bacon and cooking for 1 minute. Then I'm adding a splash of Worcestershire sauce and a big spoonful of strawberry jam. I'm going to cook for about 1 minute for all the flavors to come together, and that's it. This onion, bacon, strawberry topping is really good on burgers. You can even put it in any sandwich at all. It's really delicious. Alright, now we're going to assemble the burgers. I have my buns here. If you have time, you should toast your buns with some butter. It makes the burgers extra yummy. I'm topping with some lettuce and sliced tomatoes. You can add your favorite toppings. Top with the cheesy burger, and last, my delicious onion, bacon, strawberry topping. The burgers came out very flavorful and delicious. If you guys would like to try this burger recipe, check the description box for all the ingredients and measurements.